Mauricio saves the same amount from his paycheck each week. The table shows the total amount of money saved based on the number of weeks. Which list shows the dependent quantities from the table? Let's take a closer look at this. So the question is, what does dependent mean? Dependent means that the value has to be created from something else. So it can't stand by itself. So let's look at the amount of money saved according to this problem depends on the amount of weeks Mauricio is adding to his savings. So let's take a look at this. If he doesn't save anything for 0 weeks, it's not going to change. So really his money is only going to change as the time goes on and he keeps adding to it. So we're highlighting this at the bottom, the number of weeks. So every week it should increase. So after 0 weeks, he didn't have anything. After 1 week, he had 25, 2, 50, 3, 75, 4, 100, and 5, 125. So as the weeks change, the answers change. So the amount of money he changed. So that's the dependent variable. So our answer is highlighted right here. What is our dependent values of these tables? B, 25, 50, 75, 100, and 125.